In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Morgen on your Windows PC so that you can start managing your calendar and tasks all in one convenient app. Having everything you need in one place can really streamline your daily planning, so let's dive right into the process. First, to get things started, you'll need to download the Windows installer from Morgen's website. Open up your web browser and navigate to the official Morgen site. Once there, look for the download option specifically for Windows. This will likely be prominently displayed on their homepage to ensure ease of access. Click on the download link to begin downloading the installer file to your computer. Now that you've downloaded the installer, the next step is to open your Downloads folder. Typically, on a Windows PC, you can find this folder by opening File Explorer from the taskbar and selecting Downloads from the Quick Access list on the left. Once inside the Downloads folder, you should see the setup file. It's usually labeled with Morgen's name and will have a .exe extension, indicating it's a Windows executable file. Go ahead and double-click this file to kick off the installation process. As the installer starts, you'll be greeted with a series of prompts. These are your standard installation steps, guiding you through the process. Follow these prompts carefully, and when you reach the prompt to begin installation, click on Install. The installer will then take it from there, and you'll want to sit tight while it gets Morgen up and running on your system. This part of the process might take a few moments, depending on your PC's speed, so a little patience is key. After the installation has completed successfully, Morgen will launch automatically. This is where you'll need to log in with your Morgen account. If you don't have one yet, there's usually an option to create an account directly within the app, which is a straightforward process. Once logged in, you'll be presented with the Setup Assistant. This handy feature will help you integrate your existing calendars. Remember to take your time here and add all the calendars you use regularly to ensure Morgen can effectively be your central hub for scheduling. Additionally, you might want to customize the initial settings to tailor the app to best fit your personal workflow and preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Morgen on your Windows PC and are now ready to use it to plan your day effectively. Be sure to explore all the features Morgen offers to fully leverage its capabilities. In the next video, we'll explore how to sync all your tasks and calendars into Morgen, making juggling commitments even easier. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time.